Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by using what you already have: time, one skill, and a decision. Identify a single measurable goal for 30 days and break it into daily tasks. This establishes momentum. Once you choose the goal, list the smallest viable actions you can do today. Send one message, post one sample, prototype one idea. Make sure to record each small win in a single log. This creates feedback and fuels effort when progress feels slow. Once you have routine tasks, build repeatable systems so your output grows without constant effort. Create templates, checklists, or simple automations to cut time in half. That lets you test more ideas. Focus experiments on one channel at a time, measure results, and allocate more time or dollars to what performs best. Make sure to reinvest small returns, time or money, into scaling the highest return activity. Because compounding consistent, you complete the cycle by shipping the smallest viable result and asking for actionable feedback. This exposes errors and opportunities fast. Then iterate twice. Address the top 3 issues and aim to improve a single metric by about 10% each time, because focus tweaks compound. If progress stalls, use a troubleshooting rule. Simplify to one core hypothesis and run a one-step test. If that fails, pivot quickly or pause, reassess assumptions, then execute the revised small experiment.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.